In the GIS lab, it's 11:54.
It's 1:19 a.m., April 7th.
So it's currently really late at night.
Been here for like a couple hours now, working on my maps.
Just finished my calculus homework.
And I've been working in the lab for a long time.
It's currently 3:16 in the morning. I'm leaving natural sciences right now. My senior project is analyzing the filtration system of Purchase College campus. So basically that's just saying I collect rainwater and bring it in here and sample it for stuff that makes it dirty.
I'm working with the fish immune system. I'm trying to figure out how a specific disease progresses through the fish. The disease I'm working with is called bacterial kidney disease, and it's a huge problem for fish farms and fish pretty much all over the world, in the wild as well.
My senior project is about determining what size particles could be filtered by the digestive gland in the lobster digestive system.
The senior project is a chance for you to learn how science works for real. You're actually applying everything that you learn in a senior project for real research that can be published.
The purchase science program is very hands-on. Small classes, you get to know your professors, and doing serious research.
All students should participate in a research project and help design the project, work with a faculty mentor, and then to analyze their data.
This is an experience that students typically don't get until they're in a graduate program somewhere. I like to say that we let our students play with the toys that we didn't get to play with until we were in grad school.
Before I go in the lab and I actually start working, I like to sit down on the couch in natural science and just read over my papers, make sure that I know exactly what I'm going to do when I go in there.
Really good meeting with Dr. Taylor this morning, like 3 hours. We went over a bunch of stuff, my map, my data, so now I'm doing those corrections.
You can talk to your blue in the face about small class size and student-teacher ratio, but that student-teacher ratio just in the classroom is not the same thing as a student-teacher ratio when you're in the lab and when you're engaged in original research. That takes it from student-teacher ratio and from good advising to mentorship and life coaching.
The student and faculty relationship is very important. They get to know you as an individual, and they're always there for support unconditionally.
If you have any question or any concern at all in any class, you just go up to the professor and you have a real one-on-one conversation with them.
At other universities, my friends are like, oh, you can ask your teacher a question? My teacher doesn't even know my name. I'm like, at Purchase, all my teachers know my name. I could always ask them a question. They're awesome.
Finally out of the lab. Play with this guy here a little bit. Sit. It's a nice break when I need it. Having my little de-stress time.
So this Saturday, I have the senior symposium, and I am so nervous.
It's a scientific conference where you share your experience, your results, your findings.
I am excited to show my family what I've been working so hard for this whole year.
It's a real conference, so be ready for it. This whole process has been all kinds of crazy, and it's been good crazy because I've learned a lot about myself.
It's pretty surreal how in 4 years I figured out exactly what I want to do and where I want to be.
I will always remember the diverse community and that sense and feeling of belonging, and just my professors.
Instead, they go straight into the intestines, which we saw happen before.
They start releasing eat me signals to the macrophage to ignore it.
People park for the airports, so it's constantly being used and used.
Past 4 years, been a lot of hard work, and they took a lot out of you, but they also teach you that you can keep going and persevere throughout, any kind of academic or life struggles.
I chose Purchase College because I felt a sense of belonging and, most importantly, a sense of home and community, which made me feel very comfortable.
Regardless of how busy I was, I wouldn't change it for a thing. This senior year has been awesome, and all of Purchase has been awesome.